morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijayalakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, we are back after the online assessment, isn't it? So I hope you have done well in your examinations. So let us start the next semester chapters. Do you know which is the chapter which I am going to take now? Yes, it is fractions. You have already learned about fractions in class 3, isn't it? So first let us revise or recollect the concepts which we have learned in class. So now let us go through some of the fractions which you have learned. First of all, let us define what a fraction is. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole thing. So look at this picture here. This is a circle, and a one whole circle is divided into two parts. And when you take away one part, then it is called half. And half is one part out of two parts. So this can be written as 1 by 2. And the top part is called the numerator and the bottom part is called the denominator. Now let us see the next picture here, and here the square is divided into 4 equal parts, and you take away one part out of the 4 parts is written as 1 by 4, and we read it as 1/4 or quarter. Okay? Now let us see the next picture here. Here the rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts, and out of that 3 parts are shaded. So how do we represent the fraction here? Yes, 3 parts out of 4 parts, and so you write the fraction as 3 by 4. Okay? Now the next picture, you can see the picture is divided into 3 equal parts. Remember children, in fractions we have to see that the picture is divided or the thing is divided into equal parts. Then only we can calculate a fraction. Here the picture is divided into 3 parts, and out of that one part is shaded, and so we write the fraction as 1 by 3. Okay? So I hope you have understood about fractions now.
Fractions. Let us learn about some fractions now. A fraction is a part of a whole. Now let us see the different types of fractions. When a whole is divided into 2 parts, it is half. When it is divided into 3 parts, it is 1/3. And when it is divided into 4 parts, it is 1 by 4 or a quarter. Now let us write down the fractions for these figures. Yes, it is equal to 1 by 3, as we have shaded 1 out of 3 parts. The next one is 1 by 5, as it has 5 parts and 1 part is shaded. The next is 1 by 9, and the next is 1 by 4. Okay, can you say whether this is a fraction? No, because the parts are not equal. Now let us write the fraction when the numerator is 3 and denominator is 8. Can you tell me? Yes, it is 3 by 8. Now let us compare the fractions 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. Can you tell me which is bigger? Is it 2 out of 7 parts or 6 out of 7 parts? Yes, it is 6 out of 7 parts, isn't it?
So 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. So children, we have learned the basics of fraction now. So children, today we will learn what is the fraction of a collection. Here is a set of 10 stars. I want to find half of the collection. How do I find this? Okay, let us see how to find half of this collection. So, there are 10 stars here. So, I need to find half of 10 stars. So, how do you represent half? Yes, as 1 by 2, isn't it? So, I need to find out 1 by 2 of 10 stars. Okay? So, what you have to do is, first divide 10 by 2. First divide 10 by 2. What is 10 divided by 2? Find out 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5, isn't it? So, now you have divided 10 with the denominator 2 and you got the answer as 5. Now, multiply the numerator. Which is the numerator here? Yes, it is 1. So, multiply 1 with 5 now. So, what is 1 into 5? Yes, the answer is equal to 5. So, half of the collection of 10 stars is equal to 5 stars. Did you understand, children? So, let us do one more example. Now, children, what do you see here? Yes, there is a collection of 12 stars, isn't it? So, I need to find out 3/4 of the collection. I need to find out 3/4 of the collection. So, how do I find 3 by 4 of how many stars? 12 stars. Okay? So, to find it out, what should we do? First, divide 12 by the denominator. First, divide 12 by the denominator. So, 12 divided by 4 is equal to, what is 12 divided by 4? Take the table of 4. Yes, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, isn't it? So, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Now, multiply the numerator. Which is the numerator? 3, isn't it? With the answer. Which is the, what is the answer here? 3. So, 3 into 3, which is equal to 9 stars. Okay? So, 3/4 of this group of collection is equal to 9 stars. So, did you understand, children, how to find the fraction of a collection?
Now let us see one more example. Here is a collection of 12 cupcakes. I want to find 2/3 of the collection. So, how do we find out? Yes, 2 by 3 into 12, isn't it? So, first what we have to do?
We have to divide 12 by the denominator 3. Okay. Now, what is 12 divided by 3? Yes, it is equal to 4. Now, we have to multiply the numerator. What is the numerator here? 2 with the quotient or the answer you have got after division. So, 2 into 4 is equal to 8.
So, 2/3 of the 12 cupcakes is equal to 8 cupcakes. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood how to find the fraction of a collection.
So, in today's class, you have learned and revised about fractions, and also you have learned how to find the fraction of a collection. Okay, children, practice more problems on the fraction of a collection. Go through the YouTube video and also do the exercises from the textbook. I hope you will not forget to write down the notes. And also, children, be regular in your studies. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to follow the lessons. See you till then. Goodbye.